this peace, do you think it will bring in development?
Of course,
And
that's
any
the
word
thing.
for political gladiators to embrace
No, the
peace?
political gladiators, most of the problem about them is selfishness and greed. Most of them are not for communities, and that's why they said politicians, politics is not good. I mean, politics is good because if you don't have politics and you don't have people who organize the state for governance, it will be anarchy. But the point is that those who play politics should go into politics for a mind disposed to service. I was there, I was deputy governor for 8 years. I mean, I didn't bother myself, I didn't steal money, and I didn't go to accumulate wealth from common inheritance. So politicians should be in politics for service. If you're in service, if you're in for service and governance, your community will also admire you. You don't have to impose yourself on people. So that's what we need, and that goes to all our leaders, governors, president, and governors, and everybody. Let us serve our community. Let us go for the common man. Let us play for good, and that's what we require. And once you do that, there's a lot for everybody to chop.
Wow.
Yeah, but
Thank you, sir.
when you chop 100% or 80% and use 20 to develop, it won't work. If you chop 20% and use 80, people won't even bother. People will be clapping for you because they will be beneficiaries to part of what is on.